Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shubi. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to cover up holes on your dresses. This video is beginner friendly, and this video is also for people who don't know how to cut and sew. So you don't need to have a knowledge of how to sew before you can attempt this. So guys, I'm going to be using this satin fabric for this simple project. So I just want to cut out a piece that I'll be using for this. So I'm going to fold this and give this a cut. So as you can see, this little cut has created a hole on the fabric. So I'm going to show you guys how to cover up this hole without stitching on the fabric. Okay, I'll go ahead and cut a smaller piece. So for this project, I'm going to be using a hemming gum. So I'm going to cut this according to the size of the little fabric that I cut out. You can actually make this double or triple depending on how thick you want it to be, but just one layer is okay. So now that we have this, I'm going to place this fabric over it, and I'll try to close up the hole that we created. Once you're sure it has closed up enough, then you're going to place a cotton fabric over it. If you have a pressing cloth, please go ahead and put it over it. You can use a damp cloth to do this, or you can just sprinkle water on it and then you place your hot iron over it. So the best way to iron is to place your iron and leave it for a while. Then you raise it up and place it on another side and leave it for a while. You don't have to press it just the way you press your normal cloth, alright, because you don't want the hole to cave. Make sure you're careful enough not to burn your fabric. I'm going to do it one more time before I finally stop. Remember, you don't have to press like this. If not, your line is going to cave. So if you just want to have a straight line there, press it this way. Once you're done, raise it up and then place it on another area until you're finally done. So guys, this is what we have. Our line is properly covered and it is looking very neat. Both the back and the front is looking so neat. So look at what the back looks like. The gum has melted into the fabric. Look at the edges. It is laying so flat on this fabric. So guys, this is how to cover up holes on your fabric without stitching on it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to let me know your thoughts on this video. Do you want to see more of these kinds of videos on this channel? Let me know in the comment section below, and also feel free to share this video with your family and friends. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.